Hello students, welcome back. How are you doing? Hope that you are fine. TS Inter Board announced a couple of days ago that it had sent a proposal of conducting first year exams to the government. If the education minister and chief minister give green signal, it is ready to conduct first year exams in the first week or second week of August. Already you know that in TS and AP inter exams are cancelled. Second year students were given first year marks. They were repeated. First year marks were repeated and already results were out in TS. As far as first year students, no decision has been taken so far. In the meantime, 10 second year students approached the inter board and complained that they had got less marks as per the board calculations. They wanted to improve the marks. The next day, board has made an announcement regarding first year exams. Experts say that board has given the statement to avoid any legal problems in future. If any student goes to the court also, it should be on safe side. Now have a look at the present situation. Reproductivity rate, that is the rate of spread of disease, has increased in our country. Earlier it was 0.77, now it is 0.88. Cases have been increasing for the last 1 week, and experts say that many types of variants have entered the country. Third wave is likely to hit in August. It may be more intensive than the second wave if we are negligent. Under these circumstances, is it possible to conduct the first year exams? In TS, districts like Khammam, Nalgonda, Peddapalli, Warangal and Karimnagar, more cases are being registered every day. Vaccination program has slowed down. If the government wants to conduct the exams, first of all, it should make all the arrangements for vaccination for both staff and students. Post exams, paper valuation duty, it will be a tough task. Many people have to work. Officials to daily wages laborers also. Many. So huge gathering will be there. Inter board is arguing that degree exams are going on. Engineering exams are in progress offline. Why can't we have inter exams? So conducting exams are good for students, but life is more important than exams. Degree engineering students, they are 18 plus. For them, vaccination program is available. Already second year classes have started. Now again, students have to study first year syllabus. So a lot of confusion. Some students have gone abroad. They have to come back if exams are there. International flights are not flying at this moment. Many practical problems are there. So board must inform the students at least 3 weeks prior to the commencement of exams. Students, you had better in touch with your first year syllabus, mostly group subjects. Languages you can start after the announcement. Okay, best of luck. Thanks for watching. We meet again with the latest updates. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.